Hello my friends, today we are not making a Dubai style cheesecake, no. Today we are making a creamy, indulgent pistachio cheesecake with a rich, velvety texture made from mascarpone and heavy cream. It's a perfect blend of nutty pistachios and smooth, luscious flavor, creating a dessert that's both elegant and delicious. You won't be able to resist its delicate taste.
Let's get started. The full list of ingredients is down below the video. Let's go. First, we are making the base for our cheesecake. Take some crunchy shortbread cookies and crush them up. Start by melting the butter in intervals in the microwave or over a double boiler until it's fully melted. Now let's combine the cookies and melted butter, mixing them well until you get a texture like damp beach sand. It should be crumbly yet slightly sticky, just perfect for pressing into the bottom of your cheesecake mold. Take a 20 cm round cake pan, lined with parchment paper and wrap tightly in foil, making sure there are no openings. This will keep everything nice and secure, preventing any leaks, and ensuring that your cheesecake stays perfectly smooth while setting. Now take the entire cookie mixture and press it into the bottom of your prepared pan. Grab something flat and easy to press down with. I'm using the measuring lid from my blender. Just gently compact the crust until it's even and firm. This ensures a perfect base for our creamy filling. Now let's pop the crust into the fridge to set and firm up while we move on to the next step. It'll only take a little while, so let's keep going. In a bowl, mix together the cornstarch, sugar and a pinch of salt. Once that's done, we'll add the rest of the ingredients. Finely chopped pistachios, eggs, mascarpone, heavy cream and unsweetened pistachio paste. This base will give us that smooth, creamy and flavorful cheesecake filling we're after. Now take the dry ingredients, the cornstarch, sugar and salt, and add them to the mascarpone. Then pour in the heavy cream and mix everything together in your stand mixer using the whisk attachment. Once the mixture is smooth and airy, add the pistachio paste that's been colored with food dye to get that perfect green hue. Next, add the eggs one at a time, making sure each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next. Once everything is well blended and silky, stir in the chopped pistachios and voila! Your cheesecake filling is ready to go. Preheat your oven to 110 degrees Celsius, 230 degrees Fahrenheit, and take the prepared pan out of the fridge. Now carefully pour the filling into the crust and use a spatula to smooth it out, making sure to keep the airiness of the mixture intact. Once that's done, place the pan in the oven. To help maintain moisture during baking, add hot water to the bottom of the tray, creating a gentle steam. This will ensure a silky, crack-free cheesecake as it bakes. Let's bake this beauty. Bake the cheesecake for 60 to 80 minutes at 110 degrees Celsius, 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's done, turn off the oven and leave the cheesecake inside to cool completely. After it has cooled, transfer it to the fridge and let it chill for 6 to 8 hours for the perfect set. Enjoy the anticipation, it'll be worth the wait. Now let's make the final topping and decoration. Start by melting the white chocolate in intervals in the microwave or over a double boiler until it's fully melted. Then mix in some pistachio paste and a bit of food coloring, stirring until it's smooth and well combined. While that's happening, in a separate bowl, mix together mascarpone, powdered sugar and heavy cream until it forms a light and airy texture. Then add the cooled chocolate at room temperature to this mixture and stir gently until everything is perfectly blended. Transfer this by piping bag and we're almost ready to finish. Carefully remove the cheesecake from the pan and trim any uneven edges with a knife. Now it's time to decorate. Pipe the creamy topping on the cheesecake and finish by grating some dark chocolate over the top for that final touch. And there you have it, a gorgeous creamy pistachio cheesecake ready to be served. When you slice it, dip your knife in hot water to get clean cuts. Enjoy your delicious creation. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment below. I love hearing from you.